Hello, everyone. Today, the video is made to present how to add subtitles to YouTube video in two different situations. Case 1. Use Joyshare Video Joiner to get it done before uploading. Before everything, please open the program and then import the YouTube video. After that, go to the Format window to enable the encoding mode and specify an output format under this mode. The encoding mode allows customizing format parameter. If necessary, modify the codec resolution, frame rate, bitrate, etc. based on your requirements. In the next step, you have to locate an edit icon in the main window to access the editing panel. In the new window, select the subtitle tool and click on the Open File icon under the File section to add the required subtitle files. Whereafter, you will see the subtitle display in your video on the preview window. The added subtitles can be freely edited as you like change color, font, style, size, position, margin, scale, transparency, etc. Once done, click the OK button to save the settings and get back to the first interface. Lastly, just press on the Convert button to export the YouTube with subtitles. Case 2. Get the thing done in YouTube Studio after uploading. Firstly, log into your YouTube account and click your profile photo. In the drop-down menu, choose YouTube Studio. On the far left of the next interface, go to Video option. Then choose and click the YouTube video to which you add subtitles. Afterwards, select Subtitle and followed by Add Language to do language settings. Once set up, hit on Add to start adding subtitles. There are three ways to get the thing done, namely upload file, auto sync, manual input. According to your personal condition, choose one to add subtitles for your YouTube video. Once finished, click on the Release button. Then, you can watch your YouTube video with subtitles on YouTube. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching.